In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize schoolwork in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a simple, reliable workspace for all your classes, assignments, and deadlines. Let's start by opening your ClickUp account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and sign in. If you already have one, just log in as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on your home or workspace area. Think of ClickUp as a central hub where everything you need for school can live in one place. So you're not juggling tabs, sticky notes, or scattered reminders. Next, look for the plus icon to create a space. A space is your high-level container, perfect for keeping schoolwork separate from everything else. Click the plus icon, then choose to create a space and enter a clear, memorable name. You might use something like School Hub or the current semester. If you see options for a color or icon, pick something that stands out so it's easy to spot later. When you're ready, click Create Space to finish. You've just made the dedicated home for your academic life. Now you can add tasks for your subjects. Inside your new space, add a task and give it a descriptive title, such as Biology Lab Report or History Essay Draft. In the task description, jot down the assignment instructions or your plan. Set a due date so ClickUp can help you keep track of deadlines. If it's helpful, add a priority to highlight what needs attention first, and attach any files or links you'll need, like readings or rubrics. Break larger assignments into subtasks, such as research, outline, draft, and final edit, so you can move forward in manageable steps. Repeat this for each subject so everything is captured and nothing slips. With tasks in place, click View to add some features that match how you like to work. Switch to List View for a clean, detailed checklist. Board View if you prefer dragging tasks across stages like To Do, In Progress, and Done, or Calendar to see all your due dates at a glance. Adjust sorting, grouping, and filters to spotlight what's due soon or what belongs to a specific class. Save the view that feels most natural so it's ready every time you open your space. Finally, feel free to explore and customize everything. Tweak colors and layout. Use reminders to stay on top of due dates, and refine your setup as your semester evolves. Keep naming consistent, update tasks as you make progress, and check your space daily. With this simple structure, you'll stay organized, focused, and ahead of schedule.